So, you tried a new life in Chicago, huh?
Yeah, for my kids.
Yeah.
Trying to be closer to them and, I don't know, build a relationship that I've been neglecting for years.
Yeah. But you know, I went to one of the people in my ward office, and I know the state offers some help for financial assistance, food stamps, sometimes money, and the housing though too. You might have to go to one of those offices. Are you familiar with programs like that, or no? Okay. So you said something that you were welder before, right?
Yes.
Okay. What were you doing before that? You worked 2 years.
Just like general labor, mostly. I did some tooling and dyeing, like on a lathe, on a CNC machine.
Wow. Okay. One guy, matter of fact, that I helped him not too long ago, he worked for something like that, what you're just mentioning, for about 80 years, and he got booted because he got problems with alcohol and family issues and things like that. That's the guy. He's a real guy.
Okay.
And I helped him to get his job reinstated with the manufacturer filter company. They do a lot of equipment. This guy came from Texas. He was homeless. He's got a job. He's working right now. This guy, he don't have no legs. He's in a wheelchair like me. He worked for IRS for 37 years. This is me. You can keep that. So, anyway, I will talk to one. This lady, she lost her son not too long ago. Well, maybe 5 years ago, I should say. In a car accident. I'm helping her also. But anyway, do you have any friends over here? Well, obviously, probably not in Chicago. You don't know many people in Chicago. Okay. What about any friends and relatives in Colorado? Where do you came from? You got somebody distance from you. You gotta be, you gotta tell me what you're looking for.
Yeah. So I don't have any siblings. I was an only child.
I see.
My mom passed when I was 12. My dad when I was 16. And I was like in foster care. Kind of bounced around group homes.
Uh-huh.
And then I had a really good friend at the time. His name is Corey.
Uh-huh.
And he was my roommate. And he's the one that terminated the lease.
The lease.
Yeah.
Gotten some kind of issues or what have you.
He kind of went into like a psychosis.
Ah.
And voided the lease. And so me and him both had to move out. And
Put a strain on you.
yeah. And I was kind of like couch surfing over there. But I don't have a car, I couldn't get to and from work.
I see.
Because I worked.
Colorado is probably harder than in here in
Yeah.
Chicago though, yeah.
I lived in Aurora, and the buses wouldn't go out to where I worked at, which was Commerce City.
It is hard, yeah.
So it made it very difficult to try to navigate Aurora, like Denver area.
Yeah. Well, in Chicago, definitely, but we got a little bit of everything in here.
Yeah.
It's much easier city to get around and so forth. When you get yourself organized somehow, get your roots in here, you could make it very well. Well, one thing first, what I would like to do, because today I got to meet with my therapist also. I had an accident last Sunday when I was trying to get off the ramp on one of those cabs. They dropped me backwards in my wheelchair. I fall and so forth. It has nothing to do. I've been disabled for 15 years. So there's nothing to do with my certain situation.
Right.
I can walk, a little bit, short distance and so forth.
Yeah.
But anyway, so tomorrow what I was thinking, if it's okay with you, I can take you to one of the state offices on Ogden Avenue. I know some people over there. I cannot promise you, but it's a good